Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to see about the subject astronomy. In astronomy, some basic definitions are discussed here. Astronomy meaning. The word astronomy is derived from the Greek word astron, which means star, and nomi is derived from the word nomos, which means law or culture. Astronomy is a law or culture of stars. Astronomy is a natural science, that is, the study of celestial objects like planets, stars, moons, nebulae, and galaxies. The physics, chemistry, mathematics of evaluations of such objects outside the Earth's atmosphere. Astronomical unit. The distance from Earth to the Sun is one astronomical unit. The astronomical unit helps make the vast distances in our solar system more manageable. Anything closer than Earth is a fraction of an astronomical unit. Anything further away is a multiple of an astronomical unit. Celestial sphere. The imaginary sphere surrounding the observer on which that all celestial bodies are fixed is called the celestial sphere. The observer's position is taken as the center of the celestial sphere, whose radius is indefinite. In this figure, O is the observer's position and A, B, C is the celestial bodies. It is the sphere of any radius with observer's position as center on which all the celestial bodies are marked. Sidereal day. The Earth rotates about a diameter which is called its axis from west to east in 23 hours 56 minutes 4 seconds of apparent solar time. This period is called a sidereal day. Diurnal motion. Each day the Earth rotates once on its axis. As a result, objects in space appear to move across the sky over the course of the day. This daily motion of the sun, moon, stars, and planets is called diurnal motion. Celestial axis. The rotation of the celestial sphere is about an axis which is parallel to the axis of rotation of the Earth. This axis of diurnal rotation of the celestial sphere is called the celestial axis. Celestial poles. The points where the axis meets the celestial sphere are called the celestial poles. In the given figure, there is Earth's rotation axis is given. Then the celestial poles which meet the celestial sphere in north side, which is called north celestial pole. If it meets the axis in the south side, which is called south celestial pole. Great circle. The section of a sphere by a plane through its center is called a great circle. Small circle. Any other plane section of a sphere is a small circle. Celestial equator. The great circle of the celestial sphere perpendicular to the celestial axis is called the celestial equator. Secondary great circle. The great circle passing through the poles of another great circle is called secondary great circle. In this figure, P dash is a secondary great circle. Spherical triangle. It is the part of the sphere bounded by three great circles. Celestial horizon. It is a great circle of celestial sphere which is the tangent plane to the earth at the observer's position. Zenith. It is the point on the celestial sphere which is vertically above the observer. Nadir. It is the point on the celestial sphere which is vertically below the observer. Celestial meridian. The great circle through the celestial poles, zenith and nadir, is called the celestial meridian. Cardinal points. There are two sets of cardinal points. First one east-west points, second one north-south points. East-west points. The celestial equator and the horizon meet at 2 points E and W is called the east-west points. North-south points. It is the intersection of meridian and horizon. Northern and southern hemisphere. The celestial equator divides the celestial sphere into two hemispheres. The hemisphere containing the North Pole is called Northern Hemisphere and the other Southern Hemisphere. Eastern and Western Hemisphere. The meridian divides the celestial sphere into two hemispheres. That hemisphere which contains the east point is called the Eastern Hemisphere and the west point is called the Western Hemisphere. Visible and invisible hemisphere. The horizon divides the celestial sphere into two hemispheres. The observer on the surface of Earth cannot see the objects in the hemisphere below the horizon. This hemisphere is called the invisible hemisphere. The objects in the hemisphere above the horizon are visible. Hence it is called the visible hemisphere. Declination circles. The secondaries to the equator are called declination circles. Thank you.